Watch this video and learn how to draw a yellow car. Later in the video, Artie gets a call from his friend Larry. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Artie, are you ready? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Do you know what we're going to draw today, Artie?
No, Artie doesn't know.
Well, how about we draw a nice car? A yellow car.
Oh, that's going to be really good. I'll go get my marker pens. Wow. Whoa.
Wow, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone.
Are you ready to start, Artie? Do you have everything?
Yeah, I have everything ready. I can begin.
Great. I can't wait to see what you do.
Okay, here we go.
Let's start by drawing a circle on the left side of the page, roughly in the middle of the page, but to the left. This is going to be the front wheel of our car. That's it, Artie. Great job. Very good start. Now let's draw a larger circle around the first one. This will be the tyre. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because later on we're going to shade it in black, and we can make it much better then. But that's a good start, Artie. I don't know about a wheel. I think you've drawn a donut, Artie. Oh, me and Artie really like donuts, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
That's it, Artie. Let's shade in inside that outer circle to make a tyre. Remember I said you can clean it up a little bit now. If you think the line was a little bit too wobbly, you can actually make it much neater at this point. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quickly, here's a special message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Just a few finishing touches to that front tyre. Want you to be really pleased with it. Oh yeah, much neater now. Okay, let's start the rear tyre, or the rear wheel, and then we'll add a tyre to it. That's it. First of all, the smaller circle, and then the larger circle on the outside. Again, don't worry about it being too perfect. We'll make it perfect when we shade it in black. This is fun. It's always fun drawing circles.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Okay, time to shade in. That's it, Artie. Make it nice and thick and black. That's the hardest part of the drawing. Nearly finished, Artie. It's looking great.
Oh, felt time. Okay, felt time. Somebody's calling. Hi, Larry. Good day from over here.
G'day, Artie. Greetings from sunny Australia. Or as we say, how you going?
I'm going great. So, what's it like down there today?
Oh, it's brilliant. The sun's shining, the kookaburras are laughing, and I just saw a kangaroo bouncing by my backyard.
No way. That sounds awesome. I've always wanted to visit Australia.
You'd love it, mate. We've got beautiful beaches, heaps of cool animals, and Vegemite, though that one's an acquired taste.
I'll take your word on the Vegemite. What do you like to do for fun over there?
Oh, I love painting the ocean, building sandcastles, And sometimes I even surf. Badly.
Oh, that all sounds like so much fun and so creative. I wish I could jump right through the screen and join you.
Anytime, Artie. But for now, let's keep sharing our adventures on FaceTime.
Deal. Catch you later, Aussie buddy.
Uru, Artie.
That sure was a great felt time.
Yeah, Artie's having so much fun.
A few finishing touches now, Artie, to make that rear tyre just perfect. That's it. I think we're ready to start the rest of the car. Coming up, Artie's in a cartoon. You don't want to miss it. Let's draw a straight line between the wheels. And at the front, let's draw a fender or a bumper. Nice, Artie. Let's draw a big curved line coming up from the fender. That's the front of the car. And another larger curve for the windscreen.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
How's my favorite artist? I love that drawing. That looks so good.
Thank you.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Now carry that curve all the way round to the back of the wheel. Keep coming down, Artie. That's it. And now we'll add the rear fender or bumper.
Oh, could I have a cartoon break, please?
Of course you can, Artie.
Thank you.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured yellow.
Artie loves yellow. Look, yellow sunflowers. It's a yellow school bus. Oh, look, yellow birdies. Yellow stripes on the road.
You found lots of yellow things today, Artie.
Artie loves yellow. Cartoon break, we have a cartoon break.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Let's draw a straight line down to the front wheel, and then a straight line across, and then a longer straight line down right in the middle of the car. Another curved line, and now we have a front window. Let's add a tiny circle for a door handle. You've got to be able to open the door.
Hi, Artie. Oh, wow! That's like a masterpiece. It needs a musical number. Bo boo 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 boo. You're welcome.
Barry, you've started all the neighbourhood dogs barking again. Oh dear. That's it, Artie. Let's add the rear window. Very nice job. Should we add the steering wheel in the front? Let's do that. Just a half circle. That's all it takes. I think you might be finished, Artie.
I finished.
Awesome job.
Yeah, I want to colour it in.
Well, of course you must. Go on then.
Okay, yeah.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too.
Artie finished.
Wow, Artie, this looks fantastic.
Artie did a good job.
You sure did.
Yeah,
Came out very nice.
really nice.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, very happy.
So you should be.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Bye, Artie. Bye.
Thank you for watching. I hope you have an Artie day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.